Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Select Ellipse Tool and create Circle. Hold Alt and drag to create duplicate and follow the process. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select Quick Selection Tool and click on Select Subject. Click on Layer Mask. Create Duplicate. Delete Mask. Right-click and create Clipping Mask. Click on Mask. Select Brush Tool. Make sure foreground color black and follow the process. Select Ellipse. Click on Properties, and change color. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Follow the process. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Click on Layer Mask. Select Brush Tool and follow the process. Click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Radius 2.5 pixels. Again click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Radius 1.5 pixels. Again click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Radius 2.0 pixels. Select Horizontal Type Tool. Font size 40. Font name Arial. Font style bold. Follow the process. Change font style from bold to regular. Select Rectangle Tool and follow the process. Follow the process. Corner radius 30 pixels. Click on Link. Change top left corner radius 0 pixels. Follow the process. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Select Horizontal Type tool and follow the process. Font style bold. Font size 30. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Call icon and click on Place. Click on Layer Style and Color Overlay. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Web icon and click on Place. Hold Alt and drag. Follow the process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name Tuesday Night. Select Brush tool. Create new layer, right-click and follow the process. Change foreground color. Click on Layer Style and drop Shadow. Set the same setting and press OK. Hold down Alt and drag. This is the final result. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.